Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and Christmas came early. Ho, ho, ho. These came to me from my good friend Maritza. Thank you, Maritza. She is a Diamond Dots at Home distributor, and yeah, you can buy through her website. She has her own website on Diamond Dots that you can buy from, and help her out, support her a little bit, and get some great deals. Anyhow, this is perfect because this is my 3rd year anniversary of diamond painting. 3 years ago, I found it on Facebook, and I went and I bought my first kit, which was a Diamond Dots. All right, so we're kind of coming right back around to where I started, and we're going to start with this guy because it's ironic. It's ironic. My first diamond painting was a snowman. Look it, right? It's a snowman from Diamond Dots. Wow, I am so excited. The other one's not, but I'll show you that one too. Anyhow, here we are. Happy anniversary, Mindy. Happy anniversary. And thank you so much, Maritza. You are such a sweetheart. There was a couple that I looked at and I was like, I like both of those. And I said, just pick one. And next thing I know, I got the box and they were both in it. And I was like, Maritza. Maritza. Anyhow, here's what Diamond Dots does, and I like this. This box right here shows the full picture, what the whole thing will look like when it's diamond painted. And this shows the part you actually will diamond paint. So you do not diamond paint everything. That blue background, you do not diamond paint. It is just printed. So it's called a partial, and I am fine with this. I am totally fine with this kind of a partial. Look at everything that you do diamond paint, and then the background is just filled in with the blue. So you don't have to diamond paint all of that blue. I like these. My first one was a partial as well, and I still love it. I still display it every year at Christmas. It is one of my favorites. Oh goodness, there's tape. Hang on. We got tape. Let's get rid of the tape here, or get through the tape, I should say. Okay, so I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, let's look at it. It's kind of like coming home. You know what I mean? It's like coming back to your first home with Diamond Dots. All right, so here's our drills, our pen. We'll look at all that in a minute. But let's look at the canvas first, because that's the most exciting part. Well, you know, at the moment it is. So it comes in a nice bag. Add some sparkle to your world. Now, Diamond Dots has this canvas, which I call like nylon-y feeling. Yeah, got a little texture to it, and it doesn't like to roll backwards. It is poured glue, so I'm going to kind of try to make it roll backwards. If you've ever had a Dreamer Designs, it's like that canvas, okay? They're very, very similar. All right, come on. Get out of there. All right, I got it rolled. Here's their instruction booklet. Now, when I say booklet, I mean it's like this great big huge pamphlet, and it's in like 12 languages or something. Tells you how to diamond paint. All right, there's that. Okay, now let's see if we can get it to lay flat. I don't know if it will. All right, let's give it a go. Okay, let's do this real quick. I won't do this on the other one because I don't want to take a half an hour to show you these. I just want one to lay nice and flat. Oh, that's gold. That's gold printing up there in the corner. The DD for Diamond Dots. All right. He's cute. He's so cute. All right, there we go. That's much better. There he is. Isn't he cute? He's a nice little size. I like him. He's a 35 by 45. Now that's going to be a true 35 by 45 too. This isn't a review, I understand, but you want to know, right? You want to know. 35 by 45. Yeah, see? True 35 by 45. I love the size. I love this size. It's awesome. It'll be quick and easy to do. It'll be fun. That's a 13.8 by 17.7 inch. I like it. I like it. He's called Season's Greetings. It says Season's Greetings. Their legend is this way on their canvas. Okay, it's like sideways. Now, in case you don't know, Diamond Dots does not go with DMC codes. They have their own numbering system for their colors. See, 82, 83, 83, 81. They have their own system for numbering. Does it have ABs? I don't know. I really don't know. And I don't know how to tell. I think these are ABs. I think these 5,000 and 2,000 numbers. I don't know what 2,000 is. I think 5,000 are AB. I think that's their ABs. All right. So we'll find out. They usually have ABs. Isn't he cute though? He's so cute. I love him. So what else do we get? He has 27 colors. And see, really the only thing that's not diamond painted, I'll show you up close, is the blue and those snowflakes. See the dots? They're not diamond painted. And see, around the swirls, we get some background color as well. I like it. I like it. He's too cute. All right, here's our toolkit. We have baggies, we have a gray boat, we have a pot of wax, and we have this pen. See, there's their wax. They have this different stylus type pen. It's a little fatter. It's got a little squishy on the end. I've never actually used one of these. These come with the at-home kits. I don't know what comes in the store kits. I haven't bought one of those in a while. So let's see what our drills look like. And let's see if we have ABs. Are they separate? They are. Okay, they're separate. All right, blue and yellow and green. Selection of red colors. Some black and blue. What else do we have? It's got lots of colors. The scarf is very colorful. The presents, the gifts are very colorful. Look at the orange. Greens, oranges, blues. All right. And then here's the end. A red, pale yellow, white. Okay, and here we do have our ABs. So look, we have a yellow AB. Nice. We have a green AB. We have a white AB. Oh, okay, this is a white AB faceted, and these are white AB pearls. Can you see? Those are not faceted, they're smooth. Ah, okay, so we get some pearls and some faceted white. Nice. So green and yellow and white are our ABs, right? So, you know, in the scarf, and the places you see yellow. And the green is the H, so it's in the hat and in the scarf. And some in the presents and the words. And the white, where did the white go? I'm interested where the pearls go. Where did the pearls go? The pearls is like a triangle. Where are the pearls? Where are the pearls? I don't know where the pearls are. How come I can't find the pearls? It's a triangle. Right corner, triangle. Hello, white corner, triangle. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm not finding them. Oh, crazy. Okay, I'll look further, and if I find them, I'll let you know. I just don't see them. I just don't see them. All right, anyhow, there's that. Cute. I love him. He's adorable. Adorable. Love him. Okay? All right. Now, you want to see the other one? Let's show you the other one. The other one. The other one. Okay, we got to get into the box again. Thank you, Maritza. You're so sweet. You know, someday that girl and I will get together. It's got to happen. It's just got to happen. All right. I didn't show you the box for that one, did I? I didn't. You'll have to wait just a second here. I think they're the same size. I hope they're the same size because they'll look great together. I think they'll just be great together. Okay? All right. Okay, here's our ginormous paper. And it is ginormous. See, it is the same size, right? It's the same size. Okay. Come on. We need you to lay flat for us. This one's not doing too bad, actually. All right, come on, lay down. Lay down. All right, look at him. Ah, isn't he cute? See what I mean? See what I mean? Look at these guys. Look at those two together, right? Isn't that perfect? We got the snowman, we got the Santa, season's greetings, and ho, ho, ho. I just love him. Love both of these. See why I told her I couldn't decide? I couldn't choose, right? I just couldn't choose. This one looks like it has two ABs, two of the 5,000 number, a green and a white. So the white is like a dash. Or is it an up and down line? It's an up and down line. Where are they? I'm really like losing my mind. Where's the up and down line? Or maybe it's the sideways line. It goes like this. It goes like this. Okay, so it's through his beard. The white is through his beard. Oh, the snowflake. The snowflake. See, it's just a dash. It's a dash. Okay, so the other one I was looking at, I got to look at it this way. The symbols go this, okay, this is weird. The symbols go this way, even though the numbers are that way. So it is a triangle, but I still can't find it. You guys are probably seeing it, and I'm like, okay, I can't find it. All right, that's going to take me some time. Anyhow, there's Santa to go with the snowman. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. They're the same size. I went to touch the glue and I was like, it's not sticky. No, it's not sticky. The blue's not sticky. That's sticky though. He's got 25 colors. And then the green, of course, will be all in his mittens. Look at the mittens. Is there some up here? Yep, some up here in the O and in the letters. What is going on? It's very windy outside, you guys. I don't know what's happening out there. Thought somebody was pounding on my door earlier. I think something hit my door. Anyhow, I'm not going to open the drills on this one because, I mean, you know, it's green and red and orange and white. But thank you, Maritza. Look how adorable they are. I just, makes me want to do this one. Just makes me want to do this one and just take me back to 3 years ago, my first kit, and just, you know, do another Diamond Dots. Yeah. So cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Like I said, her and I, we will get together at some point. Yes, because we need to spend some time together. Thank you. All right. I'm going to go now and see what's blowing all over my house out there. Make sure everything's still standing. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. I hope you have a great Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed the video. All right. Talk to you soon, everybody.